Hi guys, my name's Lauren, but you can call me Lou. Welcome back to Cleaning My Chaos. Today, I'm trying to organize sheets and blankets and not winter clothes. I don't know. And finally, my blankets. My son decided he didn't want that anymore. Hell yeah. Okay. This is my little travel blanket. It has a pocket for stuff. That's a little blow-up neck pillow. It has a little thing so you can put it on your suitcase too. And then it all zips up into a pillow. Storage. What else do I have in here? I have sheets that nobody's using. I have the suitcase tie that can go with the bags. Organizing. I have keepsake clothing. I have window covers. Back here. I want to hang these ones up, but I'm not doing that right now. So I'm going to fold them up and put them away. I don't know why I folded this backwards, but they're the same size, so it's fine. Back right there. Let's see how many more blankets we can put in here. Heck yeah. Yes. Okay. Now, yeah, a flatter surface to put our sheets on. Everybody impressed with my fitted sheet folding? Another fitted sheet. Not perfect, but it'll do. Gave me the elbow lock. Holy crap. Over here kind of looks organized. We have trash, dirty socks. These are shorts, and I don't have anywhere to put them right now, so we're gonna go back up here. something. Because they don't need to be put away in my drawer, they need to be put away for when it's warm, because I'm too cold. Wow, why are there more pillowcases? You know, these ones might need to be washed. I think they were on the floor in my niece's room. Also, why is there a towel on my desk? Going in the wash. Here we have another bag. Going in the bag of bags. A broken lampshade. To a lamp that I really don't want to throw away because it's an owl. I don't even know. Excuse me. Excuse me. If you could just. Okay. This is electronics. This is a vacuum seal bag. So this might be the perfect place to put all these memory clothes that we don't want to get rid of. Can you just let me in the bag? These are all just clothes that my son really loved and didn't want to get rid of. Oh, we have another hat. That goes on the desk, not on the floor. Literal garbage. Gift card. Something. More somethings. A strap for something. I can go in the back. Art craft supplies. Man. I wonder if I could wet this and bend it back without fucking it up. I'm sorry, little basket. You were good for a little while. Sorry. An original Raggedy Ann. Oops. More garbage. No garbage. Nope. Birthday cards. A cup holder for a car seat. A gay pride bracelet I made myself. A hat that needs to be washed. I think we're making a little bit of progress. Okay, we're gonna shove this little box down here. Make another flat surface. We're gonna stack the bag of bags on top of it. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is my glass pumpkin. I don't know what to do with it. I just put it back on top of the camera bag for now. I don't know. We'll stop. bag does not need to be in the back of the bag. That is trash. I don't know if this is for the car seat we still have or not. Ugh, there's so much. Okay. I'm gonna keep this up here. We're gonna move this to the craft bin. I think I'm also gonna take this off the wall because my child keeps telling me that I need to fill it out and use it, and I haven't. So we're good. Then in its place, I'm gonna get this picture off of the floor. It might be way too low. But you know what I do have? A gift from my mother. Hold on. I have this. Is that gonna fit in the spot that I just made? Oh my goodness. Oh, it fits. Okay. Now I can take that off. Scoot over. I love it. Or trash. I need to put another nail on the wall for this guy. And he's gonna stay in front of the memory box for now. Turn around, Lauren. Be smarter than that. Put the glass towards the soft stuff. Okay. Now I'm gonna move some more garbage, and I'm going to turn the baskets that are on the floor so they're not so far in the walkway. Considering what I had going on over here before, I'd say I did a pretty good job of organizing. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Alright, let's finish. This stuff goes in the hallway closet. I just found another blanket and I can't fit it in there, so I'm leaving it in the closet. But it's fine. For winter hats, I think these shorts need to go over here for now. Let's see my wedding pumpkin. We're gonna consolidate the sheets. Everything else, we put it in one pile. We're gonna move the hats over here. Hello. It needs to be washed. A very cute owl that my mother-in-law made. It's gonna live over here with my I Love You monkey and Raggedy Ann. It's a good spot for you. This is a salt lamp. Please. Thank you. Okay. I have another bag of blankets. Shit. Look at what else my mom got. She's so nice. Oh. So today, what I've done, I made the bed. I cleaned the floor down here. My husband can now, avoid this nonsense, freely access his side of the bed and his pajama pants over there. We have this cute, my mother. This and that's the cutest thing in the world. And now we have winter hats, sheets, blankets, stuff that needs to be gone through. And maybe next time I can use that now that I can reach it. So thank you for joining me in cleaning my chaos today. Stay tuned.